How to fix TPM device is not detected error on Dell computers. So if you want to fix this TPM device is not detected error on your computers, then before we go ahead, you need to make sure if TPM is available on your old PCs may not have this module. The right way to check is to look for UEFI or BIOS security settings. If your PC has TPM, then here are the 3 ways that you can fix it. So the first method or the first fix is physical inspection. On Dell systems where the TPM module is discrete and not embedded, there is a possibility that the TPM chip is missing, loose, or damaged. So you need to follow the steps. First, you need to power down and unplug your PC, then open your computer case safely. Locate the TPM module. On desktops, the TPM is often installed as a small dedicated socket on the motherboard labeled TPM or SPI_TPM. On laptops, the TPM is usually integrated, but older or enterprise-grade models may have a separate module. Next, ensure the module is properly seated in its socket. Look for signs of corrosion, burnt components, or dislodged connections. Reseat or replace if necessary. Gently remove and reinsert the module if it appears loose. If missing or damaged, contact Dell support to check compatibility and request a replacement if available. Put everything back together, power on your PC, and check if the TPM is now detected in BIOS or Windows. Or if that doesn't work, then you need to update your BIOS or UEFI. An outdated or corrupted BIOS or UEFI firmware could cause the TPM device is not detected on your Dell system. First, you need to identify your current BIOS version. Press Windows plus R, type MSInfo32 and hit enter, and look for the BIOS version or date in the system information window. Download the correct BIOS update, visit the Dell support website, enter your service tag, or choose your product model manually, and navigate to the drivers and download section. Then select BIOS under category. Ensure the BIOS version is newer than your current one. Download the .exe BIOS update file to your desktop. Plug in your device for laptops. Close all applications and temporarily disable antivirus software. Double-click the downloaded file and follow the on-screen prompt. The system will reboot and automatically apply the update. After the update, enter BIOS or UEFI, press F2 on boot, navigate to the security, and then TPM, and confirm that the module is now visible and enabled. After that, you can restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.